Lots of ships use the harbor by the sea. Fishing boats also come here, delivering fish from their catch. Some of it is delivered to shops in the town, and others taken away on a long train to distant places far away. This is the train the railwaymen have long called the Flying Kipper. 5 o'clock every morning, Henry prepares to take the Flying Kipper to places far and wide. The last door banged. The guard shone his green lamp. The Flying Kipper was ready to depart. Presently, they came to a signal at danger. The driver prepared to stop, but the home signal was down. "All clear, Henry," he said, and they rolled past it. They couldn't know the points had jammed, and the signal was supposed to be set at danger, but snow had forced it down. There was a goods train waiting in the siding for the Flying Kipper to pass. James, at the head of the train, was very upset. "I'm very upset. This is gonna take me forever. When I finally get back to the shed, it'll be morning." Then there was trouble. Henry's driver and fireman had jumped clear before the crash, but Henry lay dazed and surprised. "Oh! Did one of you trucks just explode or something? Henry! What happened? Henry, what happened? What happened, Henry? Henry, what happened? What do you think happened? I crashed into the back of the train." I'm so sorry, Henry. But what were you doing on this line? The signal was down. I don't understand. Maybe snow and ice forced it down. Oh, snow and ice can't do that, James. All right, I'll go get the Topham hat. Don't worry. I'll be back. Don't leave. Does he think I have a choice? Then along came Topham Hat. "The signal was down, sir. I swear." It wasn't your fault, Henry. Ice and snow caused the accident. I'll send you to Crewe, a fine place for sick engines." "Oh, but that place is for hobos, sir." "No, it isn't. It's a good place for sick engines. They'll give you a new they'll give you a new shape and a larger firebox. You'll feel a different engine and won't need special coal anymore. Wouldn't you like that?" "Yes, sir," said Henry, doubtfully. "Henry, I didn't mean for you to crash into the back of my train. James, please, get a crane. I need help." "Oh, about that, we don't have a breakdown train model." "We don't have a breakdown crane model?" "Nope." "So how am I supposed to get back on the rails?" "What rails? We're on carpet right now." Ugh. Curse the low budget. That's enough fourth wall breaking. Now go do something for Henry. I don't know. All right, sir. "Sir, why have we got to be this way?" "What do you mean?" "So limited in what we can do. This was supposed to be the Flying Kipper. This is like the Falling Kipper." Well, We're not a television crew. You're right. Henry enjoyed his time at crew, but was happy to come home. I'm sorry to say that on behalf of James, Henry did not forgive him. And when he came back, James received the beating of a lifetime. Well, that was how that happened, wasn't it? Ha 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 ha. Fool! You thought you could get away from me,